show you guys how you can take a video and convert it into MP3 auto, and then use it for other purposes. So we're going to start off with Lo-fi. That's one of the top searched sounds, music, soothing, sounds that people listen to. So we're going to start with this one. Now go over to the filters. We're going to go to Creative Commons. That way, we don't get copyright strike. These are videos that you can download, upload, edit, rearrange, anything that you please on these particular videos. All right. So I like this one. I've listened to this one before, and this one is the most appealing to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the link. I don't know why my computer moving a little slow. All right, once it load, we're gonna grab the link. All right, so we copied the link. All right, so now we're gonna go over to our 4K video downloader. I'm not sure if you guys heard of this particular software. It says I have 29 more downloads left. So far, I just downloaded one. Now this particular download is different. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do the audio. Save to movies. Anyways, this. Did it paste it? I think it did. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Once it downloads, we're gonna see if it works. We have to see if it works. Now this is a really good software. So far I've been using the free version. I'm not sure what the paid version offer. It may give you an opportunity to even download more things from different social sites. It's an all-around social site supporter. So maybe the paid the subscription may offer a lot more advanced features, but right now I don't need all that. I just want to download a few videos here and there. So let's see if it worked. Show and Finder. Let me just click that. That's a shortcut way to just go ahead and open it up. So it's